Hello, welcome back to CentOS server video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we gonna install our CentOS server into our visualization lab that we will use the VMware workstation for our visual. So I hope you already have the visual workstation, VMware workstation in your computer already. If you don't have yet, or you want to know how to install it, you can go back to our previous video for our installation of VMware Workstation 11. If you have the older versions, you are also welcome for in this video implement as well. So when you already have it, let's check with our requirement. So first, when you have the VMware Workstation, and second, you need to have the image ISO. This is the visual disk of CentOS 7. If you don't have this yet, you can go to the CentOS official website and go to get CentOS now. So we'll link you to the download link, so you can download by click on DVD or everything in iOS image ISO for a CentOS server. If you have to run download, you also able to download by to run by go to this URL, or you might click on here this link, so we'll give you direct link to the many links you can download here. So you can just find for which one is the nearest to your country, to your location, so that you can download and it faster for your downloading. So let's begin, because I already have the image ISO. So what we're gonna do is just press or click on create new visual machine, or you can go to file and new visual machine. By the way, you can go by with a shortcut by press Ctrl N as well. Then I go to typical and I choose I will install the operating system later, and next I use Linux and CentOS. Then give it the name CentOS 7, just CentOS 7. This is the location where will you put your visual machine. So I put it in here for the default location. If you want to change, you can go by browse and change the location as well. So click next. Then I will give it to 40 gig. Then I will customize it now. By customize it, I will put the image ISO file. So my file is in here. Okay, it's also browse to here. Open it. Then networking. Okay, I just use NAT. When we go to the networking section, I will tell you how to configure the network as well. Just close and finish. Let's go ahead. This one is already create the file, VMware file already, but our operating system is not yet installed in our visual machine yet. So just power on our machine. You can press here so that you can have a full view of the window. So if you want, it will have the welcome screen, and the first one is install CentOS 7. Second is test this media and install the CentOS 7. So I don't need to test the media, I just install CentOS 7 and press enter, and press another enter to begin the installation process. By the first thing in CentOS operating system, before we going to install, it will be automatically scanning this or checking this with the checksum. So if you wanna escape this one and skip to another process, you just click on in escape. So I don't want to wait it as well. I can go to the escape and we'll go to another step of installation process. So now it's coming. Now it will have show you like welcome to CentOS 7. What language would you like to use during the installation? So I will use English and United States. Then continue. So date and time, I will use Cambodia time with the Phnom Penh, Asia Phnom Penh. Then done. Keyboard is English, language support is English, install media is automatic from our CentOS disk that we installation we have installed. Software, this is you want what do you want for your server. You can basic web server, file server, infrastructure, and a computer node like that, but I will use minimal install. Basic functionality we can customize a lot in this one, and it very small and comparable. So I just use this one and press done. And let's go on to installation destination is where will you put or store your operating system. This is our hard disk that we add a while ago. Then I will configure the partition and click here and done. It will pop up another screen. So I use LVM Linux volume and then click to create them automatically. So basically we will give you the 3 partition into your hard disk. This one is boot, which is contain the operating system kernel of Linux operation, so operating system. So all the boot will be containing. If you want to assign it by manually, actually at least you need to keep it 100 megabit up, and this was we call it root, which is will contain all the entire files like home and everything's there. Swap is very important. So a while ago we put it 1 gig of our RAM into this installation. So to make you understand about swap is we can use it. This one is for visual RAM. It's like we have physical RAM is 1 gig and we will put it here for 2 gig, and the form to create to give the size of the swap is to double your physical RAM. So we have 1 gig, so we put it 2 gigs here, which is equal to 2048 megabyte. So I hope it's okay. If you have any question, just leave it into comment below. Press done and accept change, and go to network and host name. So this is our network, and you want to turn it on, press it on, and this one is automatically the IP address is use it with HCP, so just use it automatically. And what do I want to put in my host name? I will put it learning server dot local. Done. I think everything is done. This one you wanna enable, just leave it default, then begin installation. By automatically Linux operating system will have a root user as a powerful user for the operating system. It's like when you install Windows Server, it automatically generate with the administrator user. This is the same with root user in Linux operating system. So I will assign the password. So create the username. This one is the administrator username. If you wanna create, you can press here and give the full name, username, password, and confirming. But I will not create it here because next section we will tell you about the username management and creation. So just wait for a while for the installation. When it's finished, I will come back again. Just wait for a while. Okay, when you almost done with your installation, it will showing the message here like complete. CentOS is now successfully installed in your system and ready for you to use. Go ahead and reboot to start and using it. So just press reboot, the system will be reboot, and once it come up, you are ready to use it. Okay, now it will showing here. This is the name of the server that we typed in a while ago, and it will be just using, and also the message here like CentOS 7 core kernel. This is the version of the kernel. Then I just type the user that we create, that already created by the system, and just put the password. Then here we are done for the installation. So thank you so much for your watching. I hope you enjoy our video and you learning some things here, and please have to subscribe if you want to share it for your friend for this media, and don't forget to continue with our next session. See you in the next video.